Robert, this is my first time eating a cupcake. Is it good, Ben? Is it good? Are you sure? Alright.
Keep eating it. Eat the whole thing. Dude, keep eating it. Eat the whole thing. It's not toxic.
I got stuff.
Just eat the paper. Eat the paper.
I think I'm going to choke.
Just put it. You can eat that part. It's not toxic. Dude, if you... Oh my god. You need to clean this up.
I gotta clean it up. This is so much.
Just push it. You ate the paper too. I think he's having a seizure. I'm gonna stop it.